Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. Today, I'll guide you through creating a PayPal account. Let's get started. First, open your web browser and go to the PayPal website, or you can download the PayPal app from the App Store or Google Play Store. Once you're on the PayPal homepage, look for the Sign Up button and click on it. You'll see two options, personal account or business account. For most users, a personal account is sufficient, so select that option. Next, you'll be prompted to enter your email address and create a strong password. Once you've filled that out, click Next. Now, PayPal will ask for some personal details like your name, address, and phone number. Fill in the required fields and click Next when you're done. The next step is verification. Fill this out and you'll be done. The next step to this is linking a payment method. You can choose to link a bank account or credit or debit card. After you've linked your payment method, review the terms and conditions. Make sure to read through them, then check the box to agree and click Agree and Create Account. And that's it! Your PayPal account is now set up and ready to use. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips.